How to boost your Wi-Fi on iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Then once inside the settings app, all you have to do is tap on the Wi-Fi option available in there. Then inside Wi-Fi, tap on your connected network. Once you tap on the connected network, you will get to see forget network option available there. Confirm the forget and reconnect by entering the password again. Then go back to the home screen, drag down the control center from the top right, then tap on the Wi-Fi icon to turn it off, wait for 5 to 10 seconds and tap it back again. Then restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side plus volume button, then slide to power off and wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Also, unplug your router for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears glitches and may improve signal. Lastly, open the settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Inside the settings app, scroll and tap on the general option available in there. Inside general, tap on the software update and install any updates. Apple often includes performance fixes in the updates. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.